It's Halloween, and I'm like, why not dressing up as Marilyn Monroe? Because it's like I'm only blonde once or maybe one more time in my entire life, and this length of hair. And also, obviously I'm not naturally blonde because you can see this. And these are black because they are colored too. My hair is like brown, kind of brownish. But anyways, I want to recreate this. Yeah, I want to do this. And yes, I set up a ring light for this. So I'm trying, guys. I'm really trying here. I also have this other option. This, like, oh my gosh, like this. I also have this option. Oh, that was like someone. This is, sorry, this. I also have this option. Rachel Green. For the dress, I'm considering this. Very similar, right? Like so similar. What should we do? Let's make a checklist. I need to do my hair. I really need to do my hair. I need to do makeup, put on a dress, and we're good to go, right? By the way, happy Halloween. Okay, for creating the hair, I have this. Obviously not just this one. I have other stuff too. This. So, they're good to go. And I'm wearing absolutely no makeup except this balm. So, we need to put on a serious makeup. I think it's really worth to mention that I have zero experience in hair and makeup. Right now, it's like a whole thing. And I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, zero idea. I've got zero idea. I have no idea. I thought maybe this is heat protection because my hair is like really in danger of getting so much, danger. Don't die. Don't die. So I put a lot of this into the work. I wish I watched, I don't know, a tutorial or something. Okay. This is like, I've got no idea what I'm doing right now, but I think we should do this. This, right? Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm just gonna do it. And then I think we should do, I don't know really if I should do, oh my gosh, what should we do? Like this. Then maybe this. I think this is getting me somewhere. I'm just gonna do this. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Okay, I think this is good. Nothing right now. Should I do it this way or this way? It's like this. I think we should do it that way. And it's like this. We should do it backward. Okay, what do we do with, oh my god, this is ruined. I don't know. What do we do with here? I've got two more, so I really can't, give it a little bit of heat. We're gonna just know. We're definitely getting somewhere with this. Oh my gosh, okay. This is the hair. And what do you do with the rest of it? I'm just gonna go with this. Whatever. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Whatever, you know. Let's go for the makeup. Okay, my makeup should be like this. Okay? So I'm gonna just recreate this and oh my god, I know nothing. Oh my god. I'm not gonna use foundation because I hate foundation. So I'm just gonna go with the flow. Like I've got other choices. No. I love this part. Cover them all. Please don't learn anything today. Like, don't learn what I'm doing. Because this is just not right. And I think if any makeup artist, if any real makeup artist actually see this, they'd be like, what the hell is she doing? Oh my god. I also wanted to try another kind of light thing here. What the heck is wrong with this skin? Okay. Don't worry, we're gonna fix this. It's not gonna be like this. Just let me try another lighting. Maybe it will be good. Like this. We're gonna change it this way. It's not change. Oh. Is it better now? Or is it better? No, this is too like no, like, and this is so white. Like, what the hell? No way. I feel like this. This is fine, right? I like this. I should have started with this. Okay, contouring. We should contour, and I am terrible at contouring. They shouldn't say like that. I mean, it's something like this. Oh my god, I've got no idea what I'm doing right now. And the nose. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my god. And here. And here. Okay, I haven't enough breakouts that I need more that I'm putting makeup here. Like, look at this. Okay. What should we do with all of this? Oh my god. Why on earth did I think that I can recreate the makeup? Like, why would it even occur to me? Like, why? Why did I think that? Okay, next step is the blush. Thank god I have the same color. We need a lot of blush. Think of something like this because I'm like super plain right now. Oh, I'm already looking like her. We're gonna do this. First, I'm gonna do my lashes because it is the way I do it. Okay. Then mascara. This should be the final of everything, but whatever. I wish I can just do it the same way as this one. Not the same. Close enough though. We need to clean this up. Not the whole thing. But you know, I think I am pretty successful at this right now. Okay, the next step is eyeshadow. So much of this here. I'm worried about my hair. Like, I don't know what's happening to my hair right now. You know, the makeup is okay, but the hair is something else. If I would do Audrey Hepburn, I would do so much easier on the eyebrows. Like, I don't know. Is it cool or not? I don't care. Let's just... Okay, it's time to take this off. I hope it's fine. Yeah, you know, sorta. Let's put on the dress. Oh my god, this actually works. I mean, I'm happy with it. Like, whoa. See? So similar. Oh, shoes. Need to change on those, but yeah. I'm so like her. So I think today was a success as a whole. I want to try one more dress because I'm like, why not? Oh my god, this is so more similar. Like, this is it. This is the thing. This is the thing. This is literally the thing. This is a success. I'm successful. Happy Halloween.